Interested in changing your community? Want to play a part in improving people's lives? With Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and our Manaaki Tāngata program, you can gain an introductory qualification that helps you understand the diverse needs of our communities and working with whānau-centred social services. With this fees-free program, you could gain the skills you need to work within agencies and serve our communities. From kaitiakitanga to tino rangatiratanga, our program is designed through a range of kōnai ako, learning modules that deepen your understanding of social services and prepare you for a rewarding career focused on social outcomes. We've created study options to fit around your lifestyle. You will learn from a mixture of in-class teaching, tutorials, or in a collaborative learning environment like wānanga and noho marae. If you can commit to 38 weeks, you could be on your way to helping whānau and communities across Aotearoa. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.